Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're like me, you are always on the lookout for cutting edge tools to enhance your video editing projects. Today, we are diving into some of the best free alternatives to Topaz Video AI for video enhancement and editing. So, whether you are a seasoned editor or just starting out, stay tuned for some awesome options that won't cost you a dime. Our first contender is CapCut, a versatile video editing app that's been gaining popularity for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features. It's an excellent choice for quick editings and enhancements on the go. Let's talk about key features. Intuitive and easy to use interface, built-in effects and transitions, speed control and reverse video functionality. Also, you can add noise reduction too. Pros: completely free with no watermark, regularly updates with new features, available on mobile device for editing anywhere. Let's talk about cons. Limited on mobile platform, may not offer advanced feature for professional editing. Now, let's explore TensorPS. TensorPS.ai, a newer player in the video enhancement field, it leverages AI to improve video quality, making it a promising option for AI-driven editing needs. Key features are AI-powered video enhancement, supports upscaling and noise reduction, online platform, no downloads required. The pros are simple and straightforward to use, can handle high resolution videos, no installation needed, works directly in your browser. Let's talk about cons. Internet connection required, may have limitations on free version features. Our next stop is Handbreak, a well-known open-source video transcoder. While it's commonly used for converting video formats, Handbrake also offers some AI-powered features for video enhancement. Key features: supports a wide range of formats, batch processing capabilities, presets for quick conversion, and many more. Pros are completely free and open source, regularly updated with new features, cross-platform support. The cons are interface can be daunting for beginners, primarily focused on transcoding with limited enhancement features. Next up is Avidemux, another free and open source tool designed for simple cutting, filtering, and encoding tasks. It's perfect for those who need basic video enhancement without the complexity of more advanced tools. If we talk about key features, there are simple interface, non-linear video editing, scripting capabilities for automation. If we talk about pros, there are lightweight and easy installation, supports many file types and codes, fast processing time. Cons are limited advanced feature compared to Topaz video editing. That's simple, and it has some basic UI design. For those looking for more robust video editing capabilities, HitFilm Express is an excellent choice. It combines professional grade VFX tools with video enhancement features. The key features are extensive VFX library, advanced cutting tools, 2D and 3D compositing. Pros are free with optional paid add-ons, ideal for creators looking to add visual effects, community support with tutorials. Let's see what is the cons. Steeper learning curve for beginners, requires registration to download. There you have it. We have explored 5 incredible free alternatives to Topaz Video AI. Whether you are looking for mobile convenience with CapCut, AI-driven enhancements with TensorPS.ai, or robust editing with tools like HitFilm Express. There's something for everyone. Each tool brings its unique strengths to the field, helping you create stunning videos without spending a fortune. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy editing.